it's Kersti Pitre. Welcome to the Aveda channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick cleansing video sponsored by Aveda. If you guys continue watching this video, you're going to see which Aveda products I chose to clean my hair, especially after and before I'm about to put my protector style in it. I'm going to be using the Aveda Be Curly Co-Wash. They do have an entire collection that has a curl enhancer, shampoo, conditioner, deep treatment mask. But let me share the tea on this co-wash because I was shook. This was my first time using one, and I'm definitely gonna try it again. So the tea on the Aveda Be Curly Co-Wash is that it is filled with organic ingredients like organic lemon. It has organic babassu oil. The Aveda Co-Wash, it removed all of the buildup from my hair, but it also added in moisture, and I believe that's coming from the babassu oil. You already know you got kinky hair, girl. You need to seal it in, pack it in with some oil. So I took about a handful, which is like a quarter size amount of the co-wash, and I applied it directly to my scalp and to the ends of my hair, and then I worked it all the way on through. I used my fingertips. I didn't use my nails. You don't want to actually scratch your scalp unless you got a little itch, but you want to use your fingertips to massage the product in your scalp, and then you want to use it to really get it into the roots and shaft of your hair. Okay, so once you get the co-wash all distributed through your hair, you're going to go ahead and rinse it out. You want to make sure you use a nice warm water to cleanse your scalp gently. Then you can use a microfiber towel or a regular towel, or you can use a t-shirt to dry your hair. Usually want to stick away from towels because it's going to cause frizz. So use a microfiber towel. It will reduce a lot of the frizz, or a t-shirt, which is what everybody has. Let me know if you guys co-wash down below, and let me know, do you dry with a t-shirt or a towel? Let me know what you think, guys. Alrighty, so this is my hair once it's washed with the co-wash. As you can see, my scalp hairline is very clean, and it's ready for my deep treatment mask or my conditioner. Do you guys do deep conditioning? Do you guys do conditioner? What do you do after you shampoo or co-wash? As you can see, I'm showing you guys my hair in a damp stage because I'm about to use the Damage Remedy Intensive Restructuring Treatment. This is a treatment mask. It's going to help to strengthen the hair and get really penetrated underneath the hair shaft. So I'm going to be putting this on my hair. I'm using about a quarter size. The Damage Remedy is from Aveda as well. I just separated my hair as if I was doing a wash and go. And then I just gently ran my fingers through the curls just to distribute product and then kind of create a curl. Now, I like to sometimes sit under a hooded dryer, or I like to just pin it up and then let my hair sit like this for about 2 to 5 minutes with any treatment. And usually I'm left with some beautiful soft curls. As you guys can see, I'm running it all the way through. I don't do it just a little bit. I do it enough to where the curl bounces back. Something that I loved about this Damage Remedy, it was thick. So if you do have kinkier, coilier, coarser hair, you want to stick with an intensive treatment like this because it's really going to penetrate that shaft, and it's really going to add that moisture back in. Okay, so now I've rinsed out the Damage Remedy Intensive Restructuring Treatment. And now I am going to finish off my cleansing with this hair repair. This is not a cleanser. This is something that you can just leave on your hair. It's like a leave-in conditioner. The Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair is going to protect your hair from heat styling. You want to give it a nice good shake before you get ready to squeeze it in your hand. It is a little bit of a looser formula, so you want to make sure that your hand is right there as soon as you open up the tube because you do not want to get it on you. Once you've got a nickel size amount, maybe dime size amount, you want to go ahead and spread that through your coils, and you want to take your time. You spread it on the palms of your hands. I get a little bit more if you have longer hair or thicker hair, or you just want to make sure it's distributed, but you do not need a lot. The Damage Remedy daily hair repair item. It's going to allow you to have some shine when you do move forward in your styling. So, you can kind of control what you want to do. Once you get it all through your hair, you're going to go ahead and either diffuse, let it air dry, or just let it, you can use a blow dryer or maybe sit under a hooded dryer to let everything set. Of course, you guys know that if you do have curly hair, you want to scrunch back your curls just a little bit so they don't stay stretched, and then you give it a good little shake. Shake your hair from side to side all around, and it's going to loosen things up. And then I just let my hair air dry for about 10 minutes, and then I took my blow dryer on the cool shot and I allowed my hair to dry the rest of the way. I am in love with the way that my curls look. The Damage Remedy left my curls full of shine, soft, super manageable, and they were popping. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever tried any Aveda products. What else do you recommend? That's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video. Make sure you guys drop a comment if you liked and enjoyed these styling and cleansing tips.